Viewers, welcome to Full of Chemistry. This is Mubina Ashkar. ഇതിന് മുമ്പത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ 2014 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1 to 10 ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് 11 to 20 ആണ്. 11th question. Catecholamine hormones bind to receptors present in the options are nuclear membrane, DNA, intracellular compartments or plasma membrane. Answer is option D. The catecholamine hormones are made by adrenal glands which are located on top of kidneys. Examples include dopamine, norepinephrine. Statins used for the treatment of hypercholesterolemia exhibit options: competitive inhibition, uncompetitive inhibition, non-competitive inhibition, or none of this. Answer is option A. Statins are used to treat hypercholesterolemia and the most potent LDL lowering medications. What is competitive inhibition? It occurs when molecules very similar to the substrate molecules bind to the active site. Uncompetitive inhibition or anti-competitive inhibition takes place when an enzyme inhibitor binds only to the enzyme substrate complex. And non-competitive inhibition, here an inhibitor molecule binds to the enzyme at a location other than the active site, that is an allosteric site. 13th question. The role of sugar nucleotides in biosynthesis of glycogen was discovered by options: Frederick Sanger, Albert Lehninger, Louis Leloir, or Carl Corey. The answer is option C. The sugar nucleotides are the substrates for polymerization into disaccharide, glycogen, starch, and more complex extracellular polysaccharides. Frederick Sanger was the first person to obtain a protein sequence. Albert Lehninger made fundamental contributions to the current understanding of metabolism at a molecular level. Carl Ferdinand Corey, he received Nobel Prize for the discovery of how glycogen is broken down and resynthesized in the body for use as a store and source of energy. 14th question. 2-amino 6-oxopurine. The options: guanine, adenine, thymine, cytosine. The answer is option A, guanine. The IUPAC name of adenine is 9-H-purine 6-amine. Please note the other name also. And thymine is 5-methyl uracil. It is first isolated by Cosell and Newman from cow's thymus glands. The IUPAC name of cytosine is 4-amino pyrimidine 2,1-H-on. The uracil is a demethylated form of thymine. Its IUPAC name is pyrimidine 2,4,1-H3H dione. In Watson-Crick base pairing, adenine forms 2 hydrogen bonds with thymine and cytosine forms 3 hydrogen bonds with guanine. 15th question. If an enzyme is having high affinity for its substrate, it denotes the options: high Km value, low Km value, moderate Km value, or Km equal to 0. The answer is option B. Km value is inversely related to the affinity of enzyme for its substrate. It is numerically equal to the substrate concentration at which half of the enzyme molecules are associated with substrate. 9th question. The technique used for preparing a DNA microarray. Options: DNA sequencing, calligraphy, photolithography, or freeze etching. Answer is option C. Calligraphy is a visual art related to writing. Freeze etching is the sublimation of surface ice under vacuum to reveal details of the fracture phase that were originally hidden. DNA sequencing is the process of determining the nucleic acid sequence, that is the order of nucleotides in DNA. 15th question. Dash is not an inhibitor of electron transport chain. The options: streptomycin, antimycin A, cyanide, or pyrisidine A. Answer is option A. Streptomycin is an aminoglycoside antibiotics used to treat bacterial infections. Antimycin A is a secondary metabolite produced by Streptomyces bacteria. It is an inhibitor of cellular respiration. And antimycin A binds to the QI site of cytochrome C reductase, inhibiting the oxidation of ubiquinone. Cyanide anion is an inhibitor of the enzyme cytochrome C oxidase AA3. Pyricidin A is an antibiotic agent discovered from Streptomyces movarensis. It inhibits the electron transfer. 18th question. A plasma protein that binds hemoglobin. Options: albumin, hemopexin, haptoglobin, or none of this. Answer is option C. Albumin is a globular proteins. They are water soluble, moderately soluble in concentrated salt solutions. Hemopexin is also known as beta 1b glycoprotein. It is encoded by the HPX gene and belongs to hemopexin family of proteins. It is the plasma protein enjoys the highest binding affinity for heme, whereas haptoglobin binds to free hemoglobin. Second last question. The concentration of a suspension of microorganisms can be measured using the options: turbidimeter, nephelometer, colorimeter, or spectrophotometer. Answer is option B. Turbidometry is the process of measuring the loss of intensity of transmitted light due to the scattering effect of particles suspended in it. The options C and D were already discussed in the first part. And the last question is, the least dense lipoproteins are. The options are VLDL, LDL, chylomicrons, or HDL. The answer is option C. Chylomicrons, also known as ultra low density lipoproteins that consist of triglycerides, phospholipids, cholesterol, and protein. Transport dietary lipids from intestine to other locations in the body. VLDL is a very low density lipoprotein density relative to extracellular water made by the liver. It enables fats and cholesterol to move within the water based solution of bloodstream. LDL is a low density lipoprotein which transport all fat molecules around the body in the extracellular water. HDL is a high density lipoprotein composed of multiple proteins which transport all fat molecules around the body within the water outside cells. Well, ഇപ്പോൾ 2014 10 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മൾ ആൻസർ ചെയ്തു. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ഇനിയും എൻ്റെ വീഡിയോസ് കാണുക ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.